days in a row.
It's so exciting.
It's cold.
It's Monday, the 6th of July, and we went to Tesco yesterday and bought some trousers for work.
We walked 5.2 miles, I think. We couldn't send the map.
But 2 pairs of trousers I bought don't fit, so we're going back to Tesco to exchange them. And we're going to go to Costa and have a coffee date. It's nice. I'm excited. So my mum's looking after the kids. And we're just getting a little walk down to Tesco. So for lunch today we're trying vegan. We've got a plant-based kebab and macaroni cheese made with a butternut squash sauce and a coconut oil cheese alternative. And it's yummy.
The what is? So we are in the car. First time you've driven in the UK for how long?
2 years.
New car?
Yeah.
Your mum had a little something else last time.
Yeah.
But yeah, with the kids. And we are going to Asda. Oh, we're driving the same route we walked yesterday. And trying to get used to the car, really, aren't we? It did take ages yesterday. We're a little bit sad because we can't get the radio to work. I was about to say then you can't turn on left here.
I'll turn left.
So in Thailand you can just turn left, so
On a red light.
on a red light you can't do that here.
I'll do that here.
So we do. Hey.
So today we've come into Cardiff city centre. We're trying to get the kids' feet measured for school and pick up some other clothes and bits and pieces before we relocate. And we've just come into Tim Hortons to pick up some takeaway lunch because we're going to have to queue to get into Primark. So we'll let you know how our lunch is. The breakfast meal does look delightful though. Look how good that looks. That breakfast wrap on only $1.99. We're now in Primark and we're looking at all the cute Disney pyjamas. Oh my goodness! Mulan! There's Mulan! I love it.
These are cute, Sean.
Yeah, I like the Pinocchio shirt. We're going up to kids. See what they might have for my little rascals. No, we didn't. Figured it'd be okay. Luna! Wave! This is the very, very, very long line at Ikea just to get into the store. We're at Ikea. We're in Ikea.
There's no Wi-Fi.
There's no Wi-Fi. I don't know what that means. We are in Ikea. It is Wednesday the something of July.
We need to, for moving to Uzbekistan, we need bedding.
We are in Ikea, so we're super excited. Gonna take some photos of some things we like, come back on another day, and we're child free. Yay! Let's go shopping! Love the bell jars.
Fika.
We've had those clocks, haven't we?
Swedish ritual of spending quality time. It's a Wednesday thing, isn't it?
Yeah.
Fika.
So this is like my dream kitchen.
Oh.
So pretty.
But that's not the kitchen I've designed for Bulgaria.
But look how nice it is.
But that's not the design for Bulgaria.
Well, that's fine, but can you make it look something like that? We're in the kids section And Ikea is where I usually find so many great things for teaching resources. And we don't have the space in the suitcase for me to do that, so I'm not allowed to look at the toys today. Sad times.
We are having homemade Ikea meatballs, gravy, lingonberry jam and potato frittatas for lunch today. And it is delicious.
We are at Bridgend Disgner outlet and we have been doing some bargain shopping with my mum and the kids. Rob and I are just queuing to get into Sports Direct and then we're about ready to go home. It's Friday.
And you already talked to them once today?
The 10th of July. So in a month from today, we should be arriving in or on our way to Uzbekistan. Today, I didn't do really anything this morning, did we?
You woke up in a really good mood.
I woke up in a really good mood. So yesterday I had a bit of a breakdown and hadn't really slept properly for about 6 nights.
Yes,
And been having a lot of stress with the iTutor group online teaching. So yesterday afternoon I cancelled the lessons that I had booked for this morning.
They were extra anyway, weren't they?
And we watched some TV and I went to bed and I had a really good night's sleep. So I woke up in a great mood, had a bit of a chilled out morning, got breakfast, got ready, and we went out to MacArthur Glen Designer Outlet in Bridgend. We did some good shopping. What did we buy? I went in Next and I got a really nice evening dress.
Evening gown
For any special occasions. Then had to go into Underbra and buy a strapless bra so that I could wear it with the dress, because, you know.
You got it for £11 as well, didn't you?
The dress, yeah, 11 quid, such a bargain. Then where did we go? What else did we buy?
Went to H&M.
Went to H&M and I bought some things in there. 2 of the 3 items are having to go back. But that was also a bit a bargain.
It's unfortunate now that you can't try
any clothes on in store, so it definitely makes the possibility of having to return things.
But they've added it up to 100 days.
Higher. No, that's just Tesco.
Right.
But then we did go in Sports Direct, and we bought a pair of Skechers each, and Rob got some new t-shirts, so that was a winner. And now we're on our way to Tesco's because we need sugar for tea. We are picking up a cinnamon tear and sherbet for £3 for our breakfast tomorrow.
It's £2.
So we've had a successful trip to Tesco. Walking back home now, and we're having cooked breakfast for dinner.
As cooked by your father.
Dad's making cooked breakfast for dinner, so excited about that. And gonna do some online shopping because haven't bought enough yet.
It is essential shopping because
we're not going to be able to buy clothes when we get to Uzbekistan. And we haven't been able to buy clothes really for the last 2 years in
we have
Thailand.
Tesco in Thailand.
So yes, it's very much needed.
And the climate in Uzbekistan is...
We can be in.
Yeah, the climate in Uzbekistan is quite changeable.
Very different than what we've had for the last 2 years.
Well, it's a desert, but it also snows there.
It's going to be really hot in the summer and really cold in the winter, so we do need seasonable changing clothes.
And I was the only one who still had winter's clothes.
So
yeah, more shopping, more Madam Secretary.
Yeah, we've only got 3 episodes left.
Only 3 episodes left. That's devastating.
I think that's the end.
And then we'll have to find something else to watch.
Well, we've got that SWAT and
Yeah,
um,
that other thing.
Seals with
Seals, yeah.
David Boreanaz.
Yeah, I'm gonna watch that. That sounds good. Let's do that. Okay. Go on, Mum. Yay! No. It's oh no! Good morning. It is Saturday the 11th of July and I'm sat in the garden having a cup of tea. I cancelled my iTutor group classes again for this morning. I woke up at 4:30 and I checked my schedule and I had been booked for 2 40-minute sessions. So that's my full 2 hours and I earn less for that than if I was booked for 4 25-minute lessons. So I thought, you know what, sod it, it's not worth it. And so I cancelled my sessions and I went back to sleep until about 8:30, which was delightful. So I'm in a good mood again today. Kids are going to go shopping with my mum to Tesco for my grandma's groceries. And Rob and I are just going to chill out at home for a bit. So we have some more exciting news. Obviously we've told you that we're going to be going up to Yorkshire for 3 days. We've extended that now, so we're going Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and then coming home on the Monday. Originally, when we booked to come home for the summer, we had planned to take the girls to Disneyland Paris for 2 days. Yeah, we'd booked the deposit, paid the deposit, and everything. You know, it was happening. Obviously, we had to cancel that, and we got our deposit money back. And having heard that theme parks are now open in the UK, we have decided to surprise them and take them to Alton Towers for the day on the Monday. So we're really excited about that. We did have to pre-book on the website. So you book your park tickets, you prepay for your parking, you prepay for meal vouchers, and I think there was something else that you could prepay for that we didn't bother with. It wasn't like something that we were desperately going to need.
For express parking.
Yeah, you could have booked for express parking, which was closer, but we didn't bother.
You could have done for like fast passes or whatever Alton Towers' version is.
No, it wasn't that.
Well, that was one of
Anyway, so we've done that, but yeah, you do have to pre-book online. You can't just turn up to the park and pay and buy tickets on the day, and you have to prepay for your meal vouchers. I think they were £12 each for adults. I didn't see a child's option though, so we did end up just buying 4 adult options.
it was under 3. Oh, you mean for food?
For the food, yeah. But you could book child tickets for park entry and you could book adult tickets for child entry. So that came to, was it like 163?
Yeah, with tax.
Pounds for the 4 of us with tax. So yeah, we're really excited about that. Gonna have a day out at Alton Towers. And
be interesting to see how it's done with social distancing, and obviously
yeah,
the fact that there's no 2-for-1 vouchers. So you can't claim the 2-for-1 vouchers there at the minute. You know how like the Merlin ones.
yeah.
And no walk-ins.
Yeah, I think it'll be good. I think I guess in capacity is going to be a lot less, so maybe wait times will be shorter, but we will definitely vlog our day and let you know how it goes.
We're taking the kids anyway, so it's not like we're going there to do a full theme park.
I think it'll be good. I think it'll be good, and I think that if
nobody's going to be waiting for Oblivion for 4 hours.
Yeah, if there's shorter queue times, then maybe we can do some of the rides that we want to do as well. So then the plans for the rest of today are...
Well, they've changed slightly because we were going to look for uniforms this morning. found out yesterday that the kids' new school uniform is navy in their trousers and things, didn't we?
Yeah, we're just going to pick up some trousers and some skirts or skirts for them.
We had a look online. Asda seems to be the best option for that.
Yeah, so we'll pop into Asda, but maybe tomorrow or next week. And then me and my mum are going to go shopping at Marks and Spencer's this afternoon and have a bit of a girly afternoon. So those are our plans for today. Yay!
And again.
Go on then, do it again. Yay! That was good!
That was really good.
If you wiggle your butt.
That's it.
Yeah!
That's it.
Hello. It is Sunday the 12th of July.
Reese's birthday.
It's my brother's birthday today. Happy birthday, Reese. Rob and I have just come out to Asda and we popped in Smith's toy store.
You're feeling homesick today, aren't you?
Yeah, I'm missing Thailand today, missing all my friends. So, feeling a bit down. Rob's trying to cheer me up.
Tried to bribe you with coffee again.
I've really gone off Costa coffee. It tastes so weak after drinking Starbucks coffee for the last 2 years. And I feel like such a brand traitor. So that's where we're at today. It's Sunday afternoon and we're all dressed up
For Uncle Reese's birthday.
for Uncle Reese's birthday.
I know, sir.
But where's Uncle Reese?
We don't know.
We don't know.
He